Okay, so we're going to take the back off this radio. There it is here. I've already removed the screws from the back. And we'll just just as it said on the website that I was studying, I need to unsolder these antenna wires. So white to white. Well, those are just tacked on there quite easy to remove. Oh, to remove front panel. After removing rear panel, remove the 6 screws as illustrated below. There's 2 there. And then there's oh, way down in there. Way down in there. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, I can reach that one. Can reach that one. Yeah, I can reach that one. But oh, way down there. Not gonna reach that one. Oh, this is not gonna be good. Oh boy. I have to do some kind of like a socket wrench kind of deal here. not sure what kind of socket wrench deal I can do. Wait a minute, I got one more chance. This gigantic screwdriver is probably too big. Oh, yeah. Not much chance of that. I don't think it's gonna. No, there's just no chance. No chance on that one. Wow. Kind of wanted to test that. I don't think it's going to help. It's a little flathead. There it goes. It'd be trickier putting it back in. Okay. I apologize for the coughing. Still got a little bit of a cold left. Way down there. That's gotta be it there. It's 1, 2, 3, excuse me, 4, more than these two. Oh boy, I apologize if I'm breathing on the microphone. I have no idea about what the microphone picks up because I cannot monitor it. The particular camera I'm using has the microphone built in, and so I'm guessing I'm coming across loud and clear. That's what I'm guessing. Maybe a little too loud. Ooh. Okay, so that should let the front panel come off. Pretty tight up here. Doesn't feel released there. Pull the tab out. This is to remove the center cabinet. That's this piece. Oh, Draper has returned here. So I think that's another stage further into the disassembly. So we should have taken out those two, one in that corner, one kind of in the middle, one in that corner, one in that corner, but one not in this corner. And this is better looked at this way. So these two are compensating, or they're the screws for this corner, so there should be no corner. And the screws definitely are out. I took them right out. Okay. I'm going to apply a little more force to it. Really seems to be held in. Oop, oop. Something ratcheted here. I think it's the on-off switch. Okay. What? Right in here. There's a string up in there. Something to be careful about. There it is there. Yeah, I think I was just short of apologizing for breathing on the microphone. I suspect I'm doing that a lot here. So if that's the case, I very much apologize. Maybe I can fix that a little bit. Okay. Bingo. Okay, it's not so bad. Because one of the things I read was that this is a real difficult radio to service. Okay, pretty dusty, really dusty. Wow. Okay, pretty interesting. So, now the items we want to just fix my camera here. You know, I do have a solution, a workaround, so I can monitor my own voice properly, because I can't do it with the built-in microphone on this camera. There's no way to do this. So I'm thinking of attaching a second microphone, a small microphone, to it, and having that microphone separately amplified and just fed into some headphones. Maybe wireless headphones might be a good idea. And I'll just listen to my voice on a different microphone at the same location as the one that's actually on the camera. So that's my best approach. So I'm waiting to spot what I did with my wireless headphones. And oh hey, here's this meter. Here's this meter that's reading high here. I wonder what's happened to it. I'm sure these are not made to be taken apart. I'm trying to look right inside there. And though I'd have to guess the spring is sprung in there. And no real chance of fixing something like that. Let's test this guy a little bit. So I'm not sure if the spring is used to convey electricity inside the meter movement somehow. It could be. And so maybe you overload the meter and actually burn the spring out. I don't know. Just kind of made that up. A little surprising. It jumped. Okay, so now this is in an interesting category. This is in the category of I can make this work again. Maybe. Let's see. Drive the meter the other way here. Let's see. So the meter's actually working. It's either off its suspension, or the spring has gone twing in there and it's kind of jammed it up, and that's why it kind of looks like it's sticky. There's one of the lights right there. Right in there. That's funny, eh? One little clip holding that in there. But it looks like this card has to come off. I don't like that idea. I don't like that idea. I could probably manage to replace the bulb just with this plastic thing here. I'm not sure if I have any of those exact bulbs. Doesn't much matter, the meter doesn't work anyway. Just looking inside this radio, it's a little ugly. Uglier than you would imagine for dirt and dust. Now what about those switches? Well, there's all that string that I need to be pretty careful around, yeah. Look, it's kind of going up and over some guides here. It'd be easy to get that wrong. It almost looks wrong. I'm not going to touch that. So it was this control. And the outer one. So I'm looking very closely to see if there isn't some place I can shoot cleaner in here. And I'm thinking about, I can't even fully see it. How far back does it go? Do some close-up stuff here. We'll see. See what we can see. Okay, let's go and inspect this thing very closely here. See if we can find. So these controls are easy to clean because there's a gap in the back of them here. I can spray the cleaner in there quite easily. It'll be easy.